Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn off overclock boot screen from Asus BIOS. To turn off the ROG overclock boot screen from the Asus BIOS, you can follow these steps. Start or restart your computer and enter the BIOS by pressing the appropriate key during the boot process. The key to access the BIOS may vary depending on your computer model, but commonly used keys are F2, delete, or ESC. Once you are in the BIOS, navigate to the easy mode and easy system tuning. In the easy mode tuning, set it to the normal. Save the changes and exit the BIOS. Usually you can press the F10 key to save and exit. Once you do that, your computer will restart several times and will start normally. So we had to wait until the boot screen. After that, the ROG overclock boot screen should no longer appear during the boot process. If you have any questions about this, you can feel free to comment down below and I will try to answer. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you at the next one. Goodbye.